What's up, everyone? It's Jay, and there's a installation video for the Electro Ponzi script. So after watching this video, you'll be able to install these scripts without any help. And the script also comes with offline documentation. That means you have a video and an offline documentation. So with that being said, let's move right to the video. Well, one more thing, if you want to purchase the script, just head over to ZY7.me, look for the Electro Ponzi script, and the script is just $150. But if you're watching this video, consider yourself lucky because I'm going to give you 10% of which nobody else is going to get except you that is watching this video right now. I'm going to give you 10% off right now. So check the bottom of this video to get the coupon code to get 10% off. So try to purchase the script because I don't know how long the coupon code will last. So try to purchase the script as fast as you can. Alright, so we accept only Bitcoin. If you want to purchase the script, just click on the purchase button here, and then you click on checkout. Then click on checkout, and next thing you want to do is click on your user, input your email address. I'm gonna input zy7 hello@zy7.me, which is my email actually, and first name is gonna be zy7, last name is gonna be zy7, and I'm gonna click on purchase, and the next page is gonna be the next page is gonna be the confirmation via the payment page, right? So here's the payment page. Now you can only make payments with Bitcoin for now. Please, you guys have to bear with me. You can only make payment with Bitcoin right now, but I promise you, and I swear, after payments, the script would automatically download, right? So all you just need to do is copy this amount right here, which is $150, right? And input it in your Bitcoin wallet, right? Copy the address and add it to the to the receiver wallet or to the receiver address or whatever. Just paste it there and make the payment. Immediately you click send, right? The payment is gonna be confirmed right here on this page, and you'll be able to receive a download link like immediately, instantly, right? It basically takes about just a few minutes to get this whole thing done. Then you'll be able to download your script. So if you want to save the stress of contacting me and making the payment, sending you the script, you can just go right here to zy7.me, purchase any script you want. We're still uploading a lot of script, and well, someday I'll upload maybe a free script or something, right? So, and there's gonna be some tutorials and how to create blogs and all that stuff on this page. So make sure you come right here to zy7.me and make sure you subscribe by inputting your email address right here to get notified whenever I upload, and click on enter, right? So that with that being done, let's move right to the video. So first thing you want to do is go to your file manager, right? Go to your file manager, click on upload, and select your scripts from your computer or whatever device you're using. Then the next thing you want to do is right click on the script and click on extract. You click on extract, and you're gonna have a folder, right? Open the folder. You have two other folders: documents and files. You enter the files folder, and you select all the scripts. And move everything to the root folder of your website. Now, about 60% job has been done. 60% is done. So next thing you want to do is head over to the domain name where you installed the script. Now, this is the domain name where I installed the script. The domain name is plutocoin.us. Now, next thing you want to do is add /install, right? /install, like your domain name, then /install. Then you click enter. The next thing is gonna come up is this, right? Then you input your database usernames, your database informations here, right? So now I'm going to teach you how to create your database if you don't know how to. First thing you want to do is go to MySQL databases, and then you create a database. Let's say sample one, or let's say okay, let me just say example one, right? I'm gonna copy this because I'm gonna use the same name for the database user. So click on back. We've created the database username, and let's scroll down. Here we're gonna create the database user. So I'm gonna use the same name, and the password here is gonna be demo and demo. Then you're gonna click on create user. So you successfully created a user and database username as well. So next you want to do is add user to database, right? Then you're gonna look for the username you created, which is example one, and the database name we create that is actually example one as well. Then we're gonna click on add. You have to do this step. If you don't, it's not gonna work out. Then click on all privileges and click on save changes, right? And you're officially 90% done. The next thing you want to do is copy your your database username from here. Your database username, you can copy it from here, and there's a database username. Yeah, paste it right here. Make sure there are no spaces right here or in front of it right here, and then the database name, which is actually the same thing though, but and then the database host. It's normal. It's usually localhost on most hosting, but if your hosting is not using localhost, try to contact your hosting, your hosting support team or whatever. Then the password we used in creating it is demo. Then click on setup. So with that being done, well, we're officially done with the installation. That's just it. That's basically it. It was very simple and very direct. That's the installation video of the Electro Ponzi script. So to access your admin panel, which is the next thing actually, to access your admin panel, you see this is how the script is, right? To access your admin panel, you to go to /admin, right? And the username is admin. The password is admin as well. The username is admin. The password is admin as well. The username and password admin, and there you have your admin panel. So from the back end, you can easily change the name, the currency, the payment awaiting time, review buttons, or whatever, all that stuff. You can create packages as well, testimonies, news, and staff management. Now, staff management is actually the coolest thing, one of the coolest thing in this script, because you can have staffs to manage your site for you while you're away. Instead of giving them the whole admin panel, you can staffs will be restricted to some stuff. You understand what I'm saying? So you can easily add staff by creating username, full name, email, phone number, password, and the role, right? The role. Maybe you just want them to be able to have access to just the support ticket and user verification, all that stuff, or maybe you want them to have the full control, right? So you can do that as well. You can check out your donations, user management, all the stuff from here. So that's basically how the script works though. So we have the old functions. If you want to check out the function, the features of the scripts, you can just head over to zy7.me, then click view details from right here, and then scroll down a little bit. You can see the features right here. This is the features of the script, right? There's the old features of the script, and you can watch the installation video from this page as well. You understand? So that's basically how it works. So if you like this video, try to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you purchase the script if you really like it, or if you want to. We have some other cool stuff, so try to check out our page at zy7.me, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because very soon I'm gonna be making free tutorial on how to build some sites. You understand? Which is gonna be free without even buying scripts. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel to be notified when stuff like that comes up, and try to subscribe on my website as well to be notified whenever I post new scripts. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll see you on the next video. Jay signing out.